Leg.
You were right about one thing, Kevin. I have been watching. Couldn't help myself. Watching. Waiting. Holding my breath. But I'm no puppeteer, Kevin. I don't make things happen. Doesn't work like that.
What did you do to Marianne?
Free will. It's like butterfly wings. Once touched, they never get off the ground. No. I only set the stage. You pull your own strings.
What did you do to Marianne?
A gun? In here?
God damn it! What did you do to my wife?
Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most depraved act of sexual theater known to man, 1 being your average Friday night run-through at the Lomax's household, I'd say, not to be immodest, Marianne and I got it on at about 7.
Fuck you!
Got me! Got me! Got me! Got me! Yes! Wow! Got me! Yes! Wow! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Yes! Step on up! Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Yes! Step on up, son! Oh, spot on it! Come on, that's good! You gotta hold on to that fury! Yeah, that's the last thing to go. That's the final hiding place. It's the final hiding place. What's this here? Get out. Hiding place. It's the final fig leaf.
Who are you?
Who am I? Who are you? Never lost a case. Why? Why do you think? Because you're so fucking good. Yeah? But why?
Because you're my father.
I'm a little more than that, Kevin. Awfully hot in that courtroom, wasn't it? What's the game plan, Kevin? Was a nice run, Kev. Had to close out someday. Nobody wins them all.
What are you?
Oh, I have so many names.
Say,
Call me Dad.
Marianne, she knew it. She knew it. She knew it, so you destroyed her.
You blaming me for Marianne? Oh, I hope you're kidding. Marianne, you could have saved her any time you like. All she wanted was love. Hey, you were too busy.
That's a lie.
You started looking to better deal her the minute you got here.
That's not true. You don't know what we had. You don't know anything about it.
Hey, I'm on your side.
You're a liar!
No, hey, Kevin, there's nothing out there for you. Don't be such a fucking chump. Stop deluding yourself. I told you to take care of your wife. What did I say? The world would understand. Didn't I say that? What did you do?
You know what scares me, John? I leave the case, she gets better, and then I hate her for it.
Remember?
I know what you did. You set me up.
Who told you to pull out all the stops on Mr. Geddes? Who made that choice?
It's entrapment. You set me up.
And Moyes, the direction you took. Popes, swamis, snake handlers. And Moyes, the direction you took. Popes, swamis, snake handlers, all feeding at the same trough. Whose ideas were those?
You play me! It was a test, your test, and Colin.
The test! Your test!
And Colin, knowing he was guilty, seeing those pictures, what did you do? You put that lying bitch on the stand.
You brought me in. You put me there. You made her lie. I don't do that, Kevin. That day on the subway, what did I say to you? What were my words to you? Maybe it was your time to lose. You didn't think so. Lose! I don't lose! I win! I'm a lawyer! That's my job! That's what I do! I win! I win! I'm a lawyer! I win! I win! I'm a lawyer! That's my job! That's what I do! That's my job! That's what I do! I rest my case.
You like? Subscribe!